Monday, and it's time to talk technology with Luis Alvarez. He's CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us right now on Power Talk Radio, 1460 and 101 FM. Good morning, Luis.
Good morning, Mark. How was your weekend?
Doing pretty good. It's MLK Day today, and we are here to talk technology. The latest is OrCam MyMe, AI for humans. What's going on here?
As we've talked about earlier, I went to the Consumer Electronics Show in Vegas, and it's always interesting to see all the big stuff, right? The giant TVs, the cars, the mock-ups of smart homes, but you also look for little things that can actually be useful and might change the way things work for people. And I ran across this company called OrCam, and they have created a prototype of a product that they hope to have to market later this year. And it's a little camera that you would clip onto, let's say, your lapel or pocket on your jacket, and it would scan the room in front of you, and it would identify the people that are there and pop up their information, who they are and what information it has about those people from your contacts list on your phone or your smartwatch. So somebody who is prone to forget people's names, it would sure be nice to be able to walk up to somebody and know everything that you could know about them, simply because your little camera identified them using facial recognition software, identified the information that you have on them, whether it came from something like Facebook, LinkedIn, your contacts, and gives you all that information ahead of time so you can walk up to them and have an intelligent conversation. It's an intriguing little device. Imagine if you could use this at a networking function, if you found yourself at a party where there's a lot of strangers there, but this device would identify those people for you and tell you who they are and what their title is and who they work for.
Now, you want to buy one of these, what's it going to set you back?
The price that they have published right now is somewhere between $200 and $350, depending on the model that you get. And that comes with, the software and the app for your phone, as well as the device itself. And in talking to the people at the booth, they said that once it's charged up, the device can actually run for over 48 hours without having to be recharged. So it has a pretty long battery life, which is pretty impressive. And I just think, this goes to a lot of those things that we now are finding in our homes and offices to make our lives easier so that we don't have to think quite as much.
Sure.
And being able to help identify people and use facial recognition software, although it can be considered a little scary, is also, something that could be very useful, especially for people that are in a room full of strangers. They might be able to feel more comfortable.
So this is a market for people who maybe, like a little afraid to put your toe into the pool, so to speak.
Exactly. It's also good for keeping up to date. So the idea behind it is if you had, one of the other features it has is if you had somebody new that you met, you could actually add their information to your contacts list immediately based on publicly accessible records, whether it's Facebook or LinkedIn or something else like that. So it has a lot of useful little features that I think goes to, this whole idea of artificial intelligence helping us in our day-to-day lives. We're going to see more and more of these kind of little gadgets popping up all over the place.
All right. Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, has been our guest today. And you can reach Luis at the Alvarez Technology Group. It's alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG is the Twitter handle. And Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-TEAM. That's 866-784-8326.
Thanks, Luis.
Take care, my friend.